Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1967 Ford Bronco. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we have the 302 Ford, roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extensions on there for easy hookup. We have the Russell fuel line with the gas filter all set up, brass freeze plugs, the engine block painted black, proper oil pan, rear sump oil pan for the 67 Bronco, oil stick and tube, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, aluminum cylinder heads on there, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all the wire markers are on there. It's real nice Bronco valve covers with the air cleaner all set up on there with a washable element, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. We have the Holley Sniper fuel injection system on there, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket. We'll set up the Holley Sniper fuel injection, the menu screen. It'll be completely dialed in for the customer, ready to go, plug and play. Every engine is live run here for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, oil pressure reading, cold and hot, water temperature, manifold vacuum reading set. The timing will be set on the distributor, completely turnkey, ready to go, fully tested. We have the proper automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the customer's 4R70W transmission. Manifold vacuum fittings are in there for easy vacuum hookups. Heavy duty Russell PCV ventilation line, PCV valves in there. It's real nice Wraptor pulley kit in the black with a heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioners on there. Proper water pump, 67 Bronco, lower hose on the passenger side. High flow aluminum water pump. 160 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps hooked up, all set. So this way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete, turnkey, ready to go, custom built. This is again our 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package for the Bronco. Thanks for watching.